Hello, what is your name?
Hi, hello, my name is Michelle Magno.
How old are you?
I'm 32 years old.
What is your religion?
I'm a Roman Catholic.
Are you married?
No, I'm a single mother.
Okay, so how many kids you have?
I have one son.
Okay,
five-
how
5
old?
years old.
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
I've been working in Hong Kong for 2 years and 7 months.
Do you have any work experience in other countries?
Yes. I work in the Middle East for 5 years.
Okay, so how long you been working with your current employer?
I work there for 7 months.
Okay, so where's your employer living in?
In North Point,
How many square feet of your employer's house?
1,200.
How many family members there?
4.
How many children?
They have 2 children.
How old are they?
19 and 4 years old.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up 6 o'clock, prepare the breakfast, and then at 9 o'clock I take the kid to school, and then come back to start cleaning the house, and then cook lunch. Then after that I take the kid from school and then cook dinner.
Okay, so what time you cook for the dinner?
I cook 6 o'clock,
Okay, so what time they eat?
7 o'clock,
Okay, so what time you go to bed?
9 o'clock.
Okay, thank you so